The Camp Nou you once knew is transforming into a modern marvel. In just 3 months, the opening match will be played, and this construction site will become football's crown jewel. The deadline is coming rapidly closer, and there is still a lot to do. Steel beams and crew shifts are extended to more hours a day to meet opening night. The stadium is evolving before our eyes, and today, we will give you an update on the latest developments. It's been an epic week for Barca fans on the field, but the construction at Camp Nou doesn't stop. The stadium symbolizes resilience, mirroring the fans' unwavering spirit. But new pillars rise, fresh concrete is poured, and the sound of progress echoes nonstop. The message is clear. We're still fighting, both on the pitch and in the stands to meet the deadline. And we question if they will meet that. A massive new pillar has emerged in the north goal, marking a significant milestone. Beams, known as vigas portogradas, are being lifted into place like pieces of a giant puzzle. The third-tier skeleton expands rapidly, with workers cutting, welding, and assembling around the clock. Near Tribuna, the long-awaited ramp finally receives its steel reinforcements. Everywhere you look, progress is undeniable. The stadium's transformation accelerates, and the pieces fall into place faster than anticipated. Cranes at Camp Nou perform a high-stakes ballet, swinging beams and navigating tight spaces. One crane nearly ran out of cable while lifting a beam over the iconic arches, highlighting the operation's complexity. Yet, crews adapt, find solutions, and maintain momentum. The lateral section is the one to watch. More beams are on the way, and maneuvering them becomes a logistical puzzle. Each lift and adjustment brings the stadium closer to completion. The diamonds are the architectural highlights. The diamonds, striking angular entry points, steal the spotlight. 5 are already in full swing, with crews pouring concrete, removing molds, and prepping for sleek glass panels. The diamond near Tribuna is nearly finished and is a sight to behold. These structures aren't just for show. They're critical for sealing the stadium's perimeter. Once completed, Camp Nou will be one step closer to reopening its doors. The turf installation is complete. A significant milestone has been achieved. The new turf at Spotify Camp Nou is fully installed. While competitive matches won't be played until the 2025-26 season kicks off, laying the pitch now ensures optimal playing conditions upon return. The VIP upgrades. The lower bowl's seats are almost all in, but the real drama unfolds upstairs. Workers race to finish VIP sections and safety rails with no time for breaks. June's deadline looms, and the pressure is on to meet it. Heavy rain turned the excavation zone into a muddy mess, forcing crews to pause groundwork. A mysterious section near Tribuna remains bare concrete, sparking questions. However, insiders assure it's a temporary hiccup, not a major setback. The project's sheer scale means surprises are inevitable. Yet with every challenge, the team finds a way to push forward. Three months remain before the opening match. The checklist includes finishing the diamonds, sealing access points, and hoping for favorable weather. Sky-high ticket prices for the Clásico are another story. Camp Nou rises faster than ever, defying expectations at every turn. New pillars, beams, and diamonds shape its future, while fans watch with bated breath. There are hurdles, but progress is undeniable. When this iconic stadium reopens, it won't just be a venue. It will be the best stadium in the world. If you want to witness the full transformation of Camp Nou, from demolition to this stunning rebirth, the detailed video is already available on our channel. Check it out. Watch it and experience every milestone like never before. And if you enjoyed this update, please comment under the video. It's the best way to support this channel.